Hello traders. So in this video we are going to be discussing the candlestick dashboard indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to our chart. All right, the candlestick dashboard indicator. Now as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward indicator, right? The dashboard is displayed here on the chart, you can see, and also we have the stop loss predictions for both a buy move and a sell move. All right, so the indicator is currently telling us that there is a 50% buy and a 50% sell. You can see that here, right? And then we can see that it's also showing us the values for the stop loss for the sell trade and the values for the stop loss for the buy trade, right? So if you are going to go with the sell option, this is the stop loss recommended by the indicator. If you're going to go for the buy option, this is the stop loss recommended by the indicator. So at the end of the day, you make your decision. All right, the indicator is just giving you information. You can also see ATR here. You can also see, some other information being displayed here in the dashboard. But I'm just always going to recommend that you also do some additional analysis, check the current trend. You can pay attention to your trend lines, use your trend lines. They are there for a reason, right? So currently, you can see that we actually had a breakout from a bullish trend line, and then price is currently coming to test this trend line. So for now, we're not sure if we're going to be having continuation to the downside after price tests this trend line. But the current move is bullish. That is clear, right? Because you can see this long rejection candle here, a pin bar, and this is the daily time frame. So you will know that this is a strong one, right? So we are currently bullish, but we have to be, we have to be careful when price reaches this zone. So in simple terms, the indicator gives you important information and predictions. All right, it gives you important info and predictions, but at the end of the day, you make your decision. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.